have a notepad.
Okay.
Titan cheeks.
Yo!
Hey guys, welcome back to 206 Reacts. I'm Owen.
LM Reaction's #1 fan.
You don't get to say that. This is James.
Josh.
Isaac.
And we're here to watch episode 2 of season
3, part 2. Yeah.
It's a little complicated.
Yeah.
Of Attack on Titan.
3, 2, 2.
What happened last episode, guys?
Last episode, the ending, everyone turned into a Titan. The whole circle around them, they're kind of surrounded by all the Titans.
Yep.
The monkey Titan just threw a huge boulder, crashing it into the gate.
hole, yeah.
The gate
Yep. anyway, so
that the horses can't go in and out, stuff like that. What else?
Levi stabbed him right through the neck.
Levi
and the man
stabbed him.
survived.
We're gonna see. We're gonna see what happens to Reiner.
Yeah. And also, bro, Armin is fucking elite, and we've been knowing this. Armin, day one, bro. I was supporting Armin day one since he did the fucking thing in like episode 3 or 6.
Yeah, no messing with
Yeah.
him.
Anyway, is that it?
Well, they sealed up one of the holes.
Yeah, they did seal up one of the
Yeah, they
holes.
sealed up one of the holes.
So as long as they defeat this thing right here, I think they're good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Humanity is saved.
Yeah. So anyway, yeah. Episode 2. Like, comment, subscribe. Episode.
What?
This motherfucker.
How?
My guy Reiner.
Damn.
That's so fucking stupid. How is he alive?
Wait, did
just
he-
evolved?
I was gonna say, did he like eat your ear or something or something? Cause like, you know how?
I don't think his teeth are different.
He could like his before. Yeah, but like just the way that it was like sharp.
Okay.
I didn't think he did that before. Like unless he climbed.
団長は何を敵の動きを見ているんだどうもライナー君たちが手の込んだ催しで歓迎してくれるようじゃないか
There's the Titan's package.
Yo, what is that thing?
荷物を運ぶ蔵がある。先ほど一斉に巨人化したものではない。
Oh yeah, it's like a crocodile face or something.
あれが敵の石膏か。我々の接近にいち早く気づき、ライナーらに伝えた。とするなら。あの四足歩行型の巨人を、姿勢を持った巨人だ。いや、もっといてもおかしくない。
I like the way that.
Yeah, that one-
Like both of them are standing. I like. Yeah, I like that one right there. Yeah, the finger guns.
動いた23
Yeah, boy.
多数接近
He just says,
何より今、危惧すべき課題は、ライナーとベルトルトになすすべなく馬を殺されることか。ならば、
やっと何かを喋る気になったか先に朝食を済ませる
Yeah, yeah.
ディレク官、並びにマレーネ藩は、内門のクラースさんと共に馬を指揮せよ。
Klaus.
リヴァイ藩、並びにハンジ藩は、鎧の巨人を仕留める。
Yes.
各艦の指揮のもと、ライサーを使用し、
What the hell?
何としてでも目的を果たせ。
Okay, what is this?
今この時、この一戦に人類存続の全てがかかっている。今一度人類に心臓を捧げよう。待て、リヴァイアルミ。リヴァイ班と言ったが、お前だけはこっちだ、リヴァイ。
Oh.
What? 俺にエレンでなく馬を守れと
そう。そして隙を見て奴を討ち取る。
Oh,
こ
okay.
の巨人は。
Oh
That one
damn.
that's actually a really cool shot.
了解したさっき鎧のガキ一匹殺せなかった失態だ
Farmer
そ
Brad.
いつの首で埋め合わせるとしよ
Oh, he's just going straight there.
Yes, alright.
はい。鎧の巨人用に作戦がある。
はい
人類の命運を分ける戦局の一つ。その現場指揮は、ハンジと君に背負ってもらうぞ。
Oh yeah, make a sound.
リヴァイ兵長がどれだけ強かろうと、俺たち
Bro!
Oh
Oh
damn.
my god.
Ah, I hate that.
危なかった。あの時意識を全身に移すのが一瞬でも遅れていれば、あのまま即死だった。
That's stupid.
What?
しかし
I'm sorry, that's
So he moved the
死を思
consciousness.
ったんだ。
What?
アルミ、お前か。いや、もういい。長かった俺たちの旅も。ようやく
That's crazy. No.
So they can do that?
Everyone's like, make your move, bitch.
いや、迷うな。先に殺すのは馬だ。
What is it?
What's that?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's your boy.
俺たちの目的がお前の存在であることは重々承知のはず。一体何のつもりだ
I'm running away.
Oh, distraction.
まさか南から壁を越えて逃げる気か奴一人なら馬がなくても巨人の力でトロスとこまで逃げられる
Probably gonna come from the
そ
back.
うなっては俺たちがここに留まって戦う理由もなくなるここで調査兵団を壊滅させることはできても2ヶ月で硬質化を身につけてきた奴を再び壁内に戻すのはまずい
Huh. 2
奴
months.
が完全な座標の力を身につけた後では手遅れだ
Oh.
Okay.
Why doesn't he use it? Oh, yeah,
い
probably.
やそうか奴らの狙いは俺の目標を馬からエレンに移すことか
Or part of the plan making you think that.
Yeah.
Dude, Arwen's just like, what you gonna do?
考える時間もくれねえってわけですからたく団長
His face is so
だ
weird.
けどよ
So he's chasing Aaron?
Yep.
クイズだ
Two. Fight.
まぐれかもしれねえけど
Aaron's just like, yo, bro,
そっから出るんだ
raise up them hands.
ほとんど勝ってた1対1なら俺は勝てる単純な格闘
Oh,
に
yeah.
兄の
He's literally just having a, what's the knuckles thing called? Yeah, he's literally just putting on brass knuckles. Dang.
Oh, yes.
If any of they were standing like that.
Oh.
Oh.
Damn.
Yes. Bro, Aaron's like that.
俺たちの苦境にあった場所だ
Oh, yes.
取り返してやるお前らをぶっ殺してお前らに奪われた
I don't get what this is all
They're
right.
called the Summit Spears.
Yeah, I don't know. Well, okay, let's see. Come out using technology the interior police kept secret. Okay. I
It's
can't.
basically designed just for the armor titan.
Oh.
3、4メートル級に苦戦し数カ所で負傷者を出している今の調査兵団には以前のような力はないだがそれだけの存在がなければ
Bruh.
決してここまでたどり着けなかった
I mean, he's right.
Yeah.
Sad as it is.
I mean, eventually your best people
訓練
will,
兵時代は
you
よ
know,
く自分
disappear.
と父の考えた仮説を仲間に話していた調査兵団に入ってそれを証明してみせるとだが調査兵団になった途端なぜか誰にもその話をしなくなったいや違うなぜかではない私は気づいていた私だけが自分のために戦っているのだと私だけが自分の夢を見ているのだとそうやって仲間を騙し自分を騙し築き上げた屍の山の上に私は立っている
Dang, he's being really reflective. Oh, it's that guy, the smelling guy.
それでも脳裏にちらつく地下室
Okay, I was like, I think it's a.
この作戦が失敗して死ぬ前に地下室に行くかもしれないグリシャ・イエーガーが残した地下室世界の真相に遅えんだよ乗らなきゃ
Oh, what? That's actually amazing.
Oh, damn.
ハチさんまだだ最初の攻撃に全てがかかってるエレンが絶好の機会を作ると信じて待つんだ
I really want to see these Thunder Spears in action.
Yeah.
壁の穴を塞ぐのも重要だが、我々は何よりも壁の破壊者であるライナーとベルトルトを殺さなければならないのだから。
それでその槍を鎧の巨人に誘おうって言うんですか？
見た方が早い。外に行くよ。
So the spear?
Probably, yeah.
Everyone's eardrums are blown out. It worked.
威力は見ての通り、雷が落ちたようだろ。だから雷槍って呼んでる。
Very nice.
ただ、これが本当に鎧を仕留められるのか、実際に打ち込んでみないとわからない。
やはり俺一人ではエレンをかじり取るまでには至らないか。もはやこの手を使うしか。
See him calling bird.
She's skating on air.
That's actually sick.
Yeah, boy.
兵士が動いた。さっきから周りを囲まれていたのは分かっていた。だが兵士の刃が何だというんだ。
Oh, it's not the blade you need to be worried about.
Yeah, boy.
大塚で覆った俺には傷一つつけられば。
They don't care, buddy.
How effective are they? Oh!
Oh, that is.
Oh, wait, wait.
Right. Oh, that is cool.
Bro!
That's really cool.
He's just gonna have two big holes there now.
いや、まだだ。
That's actually really
その
cool.
破壊力ゆえに、撃った本人にさえ危険が及ぶ武器。愛想で攻撃できるチャンスは、このような条件下しかない。
Alright, so everyone's going in now?
今ここで。
Yeah, boy, everyone's getting one in.
Oh, yes.
Reiner's like, oh, shit.
Oh,
How's that not killing him?
He has armor, I guess. Yeah.
let's kill him off already.
もう一度ライスを打ち込んで、とどめを刺せ。
Kill him!
Well, they don't know if they can do it. Yeah.
お前らこんな覚悟は済ませたはずだろ。やるぞ。
Okay, I guess they can't. Yeah, your whole life. Yeah.
Oh, the music's so good.
What the?
Oh.
Wait, what?
Oh.
Wait, what?
Come on.
I'm confused. What happened?
Oh, that was really good.
Oh
What were the
my God.
explosions in the back?
Yeah, no,
That was such a good animation.
Yeah.
Bro, fuck this show. This clip. Not actually, but oh my God.
Physically, fuck it.
No, that was really like. So is Reiner dead or like?
I didn't take any notes, by the way.
Oh, okay.
God damn, don't reveal our secrets.
You
Don't
could have
re-
just like pretended to look at it and just like recollected it through mine.
I have to assume he's toast at this point.
Cause like
Yeah.
it was super close. I mean, we saw him and it was just like do 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 do.
Nah, he's gonna move his consciousness down to his foot.
But it faded to black when it showed like his face and like not faded to black, but it had like a black background when it showed
Yeah.
his face and all the thunder spheres. So maybe that's just like an artistic choice. Maybe they're not like that close to him.
Yeah.
But I can't.
Because if there was an
imagine
opening at
survive
his nape and then they like all hit it over here, I feel like it wouldn't be that close by.
Kind of interesting that they still have a little bit of hesitation on killing him.
No, I was gonna mention that, like, yeah, it's cool to see, like, yes, like, you know what he did, but at the same time, like, you know this person, you know what I mean? Like, you still
It'd be like-
be hesitant.
yeah.
You know?
Do you think they could do the thing where they wipe his memory or no?
Like, what do you mean, like
Doesn't his story have that power?
the founding
Well, the
titan?
founding titan. So
Oh.
if, like, she, like, I guess ate Aaron at the time, then I guess she could.
Oh.
Yeah.
I was gonna say, like, can't they just use that power and be like, hey guys, you're on our side?
I don't think it's worth it, honestly. I think they just killed him regardless. But like, yeah.
Yeah.
Also, I was gonna mention Erwin. I really liked Erwin this episode.
Oh my God.
Yeah, and how he basically was like this whole. I told everyone like this is for humanity. You're fighting for this cause.
But you're fighting for me.
Yeah, exactly. At the end of the day, you're fighting for my dream. You know what I
And he
mean?
was literally like, well, if everyone's dying, I can still make it to the basement.
And like him on top of the bodies.
That's what I was.
Yeah, it's like that whole thing where it's like, yeah, all these people that died, or so that I can prove my theory, like my dad's theory and stuff like that.
And even now he's thinking like, it's not looking great. Like,
Yeah.
you know, and it's like, even if we fail, like I could abandon everything and just go and look myself and die happy. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. It is. I've seen that motif before of the bodies to the goal. They do it in Berserk. Griffith basically like they literally say just build the bodies to the castle. They literally like that's how they seduce him to the bad side. They're like you have to build it to get to the end, no matter what.
And he acknowledges that like they wouldn't be anywhere close to where they would have been if all those people hadn't been. I won't say a sacrifice, but like sacrificed themselves for the cause.
I mean,
but at the same time, he's like, was it worth it? You know,
Yeah.
I mean, if you think about it, like it kind of is worth it because they're like very, very close.
I mean, it's worth it, but just the way he's saying it's like, because he basically said he was told him it was for humanity, but like it's for him, like you know what I mean?
It's for me. It's for me. I'm telling you it's for you, but really it's for me.
Yeah, stuff like that.
But I don't think he's a bad person for it. I just believe that like, I just believe that his goals and aspirations are noble. It's just you gotta pile and pile and
Does
pile.
that relate to the thing he said last episode where he was like, everybody's got a secret or whatever?
Oh no, he was talking about the thunder.
That's what I was
spheres.
thinking.
Oh, okay. I thought he meant it like.
Those
talking
are really cool.
Oh
his
yeah,
goal.
yeah. That was really pretty cool.
Yeah. You know what's interesting is it says this is like 1700s tech, right?
Yeah, around like 17, 18. Maybe.
They actually had real life stuff like that in India called the Mysore missile, and people would legitimately hold it like this and fire it.
I'm assuming we might get a casualty from the thunder spears. If Hanju said the thing about like how it could be dangerous for people shooting them too.
And then when we talked about this like last episode, like either Connie, Jean, or Sanji, one of those three to like, because those were the three that hesitant. And, like,
I feel like Hanji, Levi, and Erwin are too high up to kill. At the they're too high up to kill. They're too like important. Whereas I could see Sasha, Connie, or Jean just being like.
So we still haven't seen Bert yet.
I was gonna.
Is that what you were gonna say?
No, I was gonna say something about you.
Oh well, I was just saying like, I mean he's got to come out at some point.
I thought when he was fighting Aaron, I thought he was about to come out. Like when Aaron seemed like he was winning.
No, but they were saying that. They were thinking like, where's Bert? Alright, where's Bert?
But I mean that's also why they fought away from the wall. So.
See, Bert is such like a overpowered character if you think about it, because it's literally just like, and the big guy's here. Let's go home.
What do you? What were you?
I was just gonna say the thing what I basically said in the show, like about Ymir, because like how his hands got like the claws on, because that reminded me of like Ymir's time, like when she first transformed, like her feet and then her hands got the claw things. And
I mean, it's just the same hardening Aaron's using.
Well, not like but before it was just like hardened. Like even when like Annie's time, I don't remember her like doing like the claws. It was just like hardened the hand, and it looked like the hand still. But like with this, it's just. I'm just saying it looks different. It's
different because.
Yeah. So what's that other Titan they were talking about? The one with the backpack. Is that like?
He would just said that was just like a watcher.
Did he say it was he said it was an intelligent one,
that was like waiting for them, like he saw them.
Is that someone? Wait, that's a dumb question. I was like, is that someone we've met before? And that's like, we'll probably find out. That's interesting.
I mean, Armin was questioning what's in the backpack, so I'm assuming Armin might do some investigative work here and figure it out next episode or 2 episodes or something. But like, yeah, Armin was the only one that seemed to question it besides Erwin. So.
It's probably either something like maybe like to capture Aaron or something, or like.
Yeah, probably.
Oh, you think it's like a trap?
Maybe.
I was
like
thinking
maybe like
explosives
like
or something.
I mean, either explosive. Like we talked about that last time. Like either explosive, but also it could be like to like get Aaron in his Titan form, maybe.
Oh wait, I realized they wouldn't need explosives because they have Bert just to kick the wall.
Yeah.
Yeah. But. Anything else?
I noticed Mikasa was kind of like pushing Hanji. She was like, all right, now. And we saw the flashback last season of Levi being like, why'd you guys do that? Yeah. So I think that's kind of going on, like our little theory about like how Mikasa, Aaron, and Armin, the trio might go off script again and do something crazy that pisses Levi off.
Yeah.
Hanji was really funny in the scene where she's showing the spear and everyone's like ears are bleeding at how loud it is.
Everybody was like, had their mouth open, like, except for Mikasa. She was like, yep, whatever, cool, let's go.
So why does it have to be attached to the string?
I think it's just more like a convenience thing. It's just like, we're already using the ODM to like swing around. So it's like just hit the trigger and. Shoot.
Okay, I was gonna say, like, wouldn't it make more sense just to fire it, you know, like a missile?
I was also gonna say, like, we're on episode 2 right now. I'm thinking like this entire thing is gonna take place over the course of the 10 episodes.
Oh yeah, eventually. Because I mean,
100%.
we saw like 1/8 of this fight.
Yeah, like there's still like Bert didn't show up. The monkey, we don't know what's like.
Well, I want to
It's
see
gonna be
monkey
the
fight.
entire season.
And didn't Erwin say like we could be here for months or something like that, or like
He's
whatever
like,
it takes?
Basically, they're waiting them out. So he's like, we could be here for weeks or a month,
and then when they're
2
dehydrated in
weeks,
a week, then they'll take
just,
Aaron.
Yeah.
Huh.
I just take Aaron away, or like do what with him? Like I don't get like why like no one just talks to him.
Yeah,
That's the question.
Coordinate powers. Who knows? Who knows?
Well, I mean, like I feel like just discussing this would maybe probably have a better outcome.
Ryder tried that, and we'll see what
Oh,
happens.
yeah.
Yeah, but Ryder's stupid. Ryder was like, by the way, I killed your mom, so come with me. Come here.
I mean, they're probably also thinking that like they killed it. Like, you know what I mean? I don't think he'd be in the best state to talk. You know what I mean? So
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah.
yeah, I think that's basically it. Anyway, Anyway, like,
Episode
comment,
2.
subscribe. Episode
2.
2, part 3, part 2. Actually, no, season 3, part 2.
Fuck it.
Anyway, episode.
Nope. See ya.
See ya.